grilled pork with noodle. In this video, I will show you how to make grilled pork with noodle at home. Either you can use the pork or chicken or beef, whatever you like. It's very easy but the food is tasty. Mixed with pork. This is 180 gram pork cut into small pieces like this, and put 2 tablespoons of grilled pork sauce. Let it marinate within 20 minutes. Put it aside, and then you can do other parts like vegetable preparation. Now let's see. Grilled pork sauce you can buy in the grocery store in Asia market. For the sour sweet pickle carrot and daicon, you slide the carrot into small pieces like this. Use a spoon and slider. And then you do the same for daicon. Cut into small pieces for easy and not too long. Now some kind of herbs: onion, culantro, cilantro, lettuce. So the mint, culantro, cilantro, you pick up the stem. Onion chop small, or lettuce cut into small pieces. Now this is daicon and pickle. You put 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, and mix with a little bit water. Let it become soft, and the bitter from daicon will release. After that, you put 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and then put more water. Leave it stay for 15 minutes, and then you can raise it and use it. Onion chopped into small pieces. Now finish the vegetable preparation: lettuce, mint, culantro, cilantro, bean sprout, so all kind of vegetable. Now let's start doing the fish sauce. The noodle is good or not belong to the fish sauce. Fish sauce, water, sugar, vinegar. So the rate is 3 tablespoons fish sauce, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon lamb juice, 3 tablespoons water. So mix it, and garlic and chili, ground it and put into that. Now it's time to make the pork. Heat the pan with oil. Do that in high heat. chili and garlic for the fish sauce. 3 chili, 2 garlic, around small like this. So when the pork is ready, you see it become brown, good smell, then it's time to eat that. Garlic cut into small pieces. No, this is lettuce. Eat this kind of food, we can eat a lot of vegetable. And the good for Asian food is to eat more vegetable. Ready, vegetable ready, fish sauce ready. Pickle, fish sauce, vegetable, and then have noodle and meat. This is the real pork sauce.
No water.
This is peanut, roasted peanut. Now ready, have the pork, noodle, vegetable, put the peanut and fish sauce on the top and mix it and eat it. Very good, tasty. So every day with rice, pizza, or
Okay.